Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our exploration is centered on the question, what are the secrets of truth? Now what is truth? Truth is that essence of life and existence. We are the part of truth. We are the part and parcel of the whole existence. The reality which is here and now is what truth is. Now, how many methods are there to arrive at truth? We say truth has no path to it. Truth is a pathless land. But in ancient literatures, we have come to read that there are so many paths to arrive at truth. In case of yoga, yoga prescribes so many methods like karma yoga. Karma yoga means we can attain to truth through activity. Again, bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga means through devotion or through romantic ideas we can arrive at truth. Again, Jnana yoga. Jnana yoga means through knowledge we will be able to attain to truth. Like these, so many methods are prescribed. But truth is one. It has no path because all the paths are made by human beings. Made by human beings means made by our own thought process and mind. That's why we have created so many religions, claiming that their path is only true path. So many gods we have created. Now, what is the relationship between God and the truth? There can be any number of gods as we like, but truth is only one. Truth is indivisible, but we can have as many as gods as we like. That's why in the world we are having so many gods. Some religions are claiming that their God is the only true God and their God is supreme. Hence, people are converting the other people into their religion. Why crusade wars happened? When there are so many paths, certainly conflicts will be created. That's why communism opposed totally the religions. Communism found that religions are against the humanity. So many groups of people are telling that religion is the root cause of all the evils of the humanity. There may be some truth in it, but it is not the entire truth. There is another kind of living, that is true religious life. True religious life is concerned about finding the truth. Now, how do we find truth? We cannot go to truth. As we cultivate the soil to make it fertile, we have to make our mind fertile. Truth is that highest form of energy. We may not be able to receive it. Therefore, we must be ready to receive it. How to be ready to receive truth? In our mind, we must not have any duality. But at present, our mind perceives duality. We see so many differences in the existence. The mind that has attained to truth follows only non-duality. Non-duality means the whole existence is one. The mind finds that here is only one reality. There are no differences and hence there are no conflicts. For a person who is following truth, for him there is no caste, no religion, no creed, no race, no man-made divisions. Since we have created so many religions and so many paths towards the truth, all these systems are creating lots of troubles. If we consider the present state of affairs, terrorism is because we have created so many religions. One religion is fighting with another one religion. That's why humanity is facing so many troubles, so many problems. We ourselves have created all those problems. We are not in a position to resolve all those problems. Even though we have created the problem, we are the reason for that problem. When we consider the truth, that kind of mind will not have any kind of problem, because truth is one. It is common to the whole humanity. The reality is one. When we attain to that kind of reality, there would be no conflict. So simply assuming that there are so many methods to arrive at the truth is meaningless. Truth is pathless. All the paths are designed by the human mind, as all the gods and all the religions are man-made. Truth is not man-made. Truth is here and now. It is common to all the human beings. Truth will give us peace. Truth will give us everything. If anything we are to attain in our life, truth is the thing to be attained. That is the purpose of a religious life. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.